So in today's video, I decided to paint a clay pot that has been lying around my house for quite some time now, and I finally decided to paint it today. So first of all, I went ahead in my rough sketchbook or notebook and just made a rough draft of what I wanted to paint on the pot. So I made a couple of rough sketches, and in which I kind of was seeing how to compose the objects together. And after that, I went ahead and chose what colors I wanted to paint it in. I decided to go ahead and use a sandpaper to smooth out the clay pot to get rid of any bumps so that my paint applies smoothly. Then I went ahead and started drawing on the pot itself. For the painting, I decided to opt for contrasting colors because I wanted the flowers to pop on the clay pot. So this is the end result of me painting on this pot. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe for more future videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care.